we practiced making and taking multiple choice questions. For each question that we had, we picked 4 good answers, so they were all related to the question. This question was about Judaism, Islam, and Christianity. And so the answer choices, Jesus, Muhammad, Moses, and Abraham, are all people from those traditions. There are no silly answers. Mr. Linehan is not an answer. My mother is not an answer. Mickey Mouse is not an answer choice, because those things are not about these religions. We picked a question about Columbus and the places that what he wanted to do. And we looked at where he actually did go, America, a place that he could not go, Africa, the place that he wanted to go, which was China, and the place he came from, Spain. Some people hoped Asia would be an answer choice, and it could be, and it would be correct, but China would still be a better answer than Asia, because China is more specific. In this test, Asia is not an answer choice. We looked at a question that included a piece of reading, so we had to read a sentence and use that sentence to help us answer the question. And you can see as we justified our question answers, we showed how we looked back at the reading, particularly the number 50, to see if these were good answer choices or not. We used the textbook to help us make our own questions and good answer choices. We have the same question down here in orange that we saw earlier with the answer choices and an explanation for each answer choice. Why the wrong answers are wrong but good, and why the correct answer is correct. And then we took a test, a quiz. We had to identify the correct answer and explain each answer choice, again saying why the correct answer is correct and the wrong answers were wrong. Do you remember what the correct answers are? Do you think you could take this test again and explain all of the answer choices? I think you can.